Happy Tuesday. Hope you're having a lovely day. I'm excited to share my purple lavender lemonade recipe with you today. So let's do it. So I'm going to share with you first the ingredients. So this is a bright purple drink. I've been making these just fun, bright colored drinks in the morning just because it's a beautiful way to start off my day. I just find that when I start the day drinking water, it helps me to drink more water throughout the day. And also when I drink water that's infused with good stuff, I'm just more excited about drinking it. Plus it tastes good, and so sometimes plain water gets a little boring. Anyways, so today's the purple drink. So I'm going to share with you first the ingredients that we're using. So obviously water. I like to do my water in a quart, big jar, to just have a large amount of water to drink. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to do a quart. I'm going to do the Lavender Lemon Vital Proteins Beauty Collagen, which is going to give us our lavender flavor. And then, blue butterfly pea powder. It's actually a flower, I think from Thailand. It's also called blue matcha. So this is what's going to give us that beautiful purple coloring. Let's see, the other cool thing about this blue butterfly pea powder is that it's a superfood rich in antioxidants, flavonoids, and peptides. So this is what's going to actually make the drink purple. So if you want your drink to be purple, make sure you get this blue matcha. You can just get it on Amazon. I like this Ancient Choice brand. I also use their dragon fruit powder. So definitely recommend them, but there's lots of brands that have it. I'm also going to use my hydrate powder. This is daily electrolytes and minerals. I love this powder. It has like a nice little lemon taste to it. It's great for, as I said, daily electrolytes and minerals. And simple ingredients, clean. GoodOnYa is a local company here in San Diego. They're a B certified company, so everything they do is legit. So I really recommend this, and that's going to give us more lemony flavor. It's got some lemon powder in it, so we're going to use that. Let's see, and then we're going to use lemon juice. So this is some lemon juice that I already, pre-juiced. So the cool thing about this blue pea powder is it's actually this really beautiful light blue. Let's see if I can show you. Very different from the blue spirulina that I use, but you can see it's almost like a baby blue color. But when you mix citric acid with this powder, aka lemon or citrus, it turns purple. So you'll see it go from like a blue to a purple, and then depending how much you put, you can get it into this like really beautiful magenta color too. So it's fun to play with, and you'll actually see it in a lot of like color changing cocktails and mocktails and stuff like that. So okay, so let's get rolling on making this. Okay, so I'm gonna first do, I think, 1 teaspoon of my hydrate powder. As I said, I love drinking this stuff. I drink it pretty much every day in my water. It really helps me drink more water. So I'll just put that in there. I might do a little bit more than a teaspoon just because I like it. Okay, so we'll stir that up. And then we're going to put in our Lavender Lemon Beauty Collagen from Vital Proteins. I don't know if you've ever put collagen in your water, but it makes it really almost like a velvety taste. I don't know how to describe it other than that, but I really, really like it. It's just, you can just really taste the velvetiness. It's almost like when you drink, have you ever made Jell-O when you were a kid, or maybe when you're an adult? And actually like drank the Jell-O, and how it has like that thicker, like the liquid of it has that thicker gelatinous taste. Similar with collagen. So, I mean, I guess that makes sense because I think gelatin is just cooked collagen. So I'm using 1 scoop And I like to pour it in as I'm stirring. That just helps it mix a little bit better. You can really smell that lavender. I didn't get quite a full scoop, so I'm gonna do another little bit of it. And this will give it that yummy lavender flavor. Okay. And then next we're gonna do our butterfly pea powder. I'm gonna use a 1/4 teaspoon. I don't know if you can see, but it's just like this really pretty light blue color. Right in. And then give that a little stir. It's gonna turn into this really beautiful blue. Ooh, yes. And it's still having a little bit of trouble mixing. If you have one of those like stick blender things for like frothing milk, that actually works really well too. Yeah, this stuff doesn't like super mix really well. That'll be good for now. So you can see it's like this beautiful blue color. And then I'm gonna take my pre-juiced lemon juice, or you could just squeeze a lemon in if that's easier for you. I've been doing some experiments on how to make this the yummiest color that I can. So I just did some pre-juiced lemon. Okay, so let's pour it in and we'll see how it changes. So the citric acid is what, ooh, you can see how it's getting a little bit more purple. The citric acid is what changes the blue into the purple. Oh, it's so pretty. So you can, decide how much lemon you like. You could just do a splash of lemon, or you can do a little bit more. You can also change it up depending on how you like, how much lemon you like. The one thing I forgot to bring over here is my stevia. So I like to add a little bit of stevia just to get it, give it a little bit of sweet, because the lemon's pretty like lemony. So I didn't bring that, but that's okay. So I would just add probably like 5 to 7 drops of stevia in here just to give it that little bit of sweetness. You can add other sweeteners if you prefer. I like stevia because it's just it doesn't affect your blood sugar and have the effects of like sugar, for instance. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Okay. Yum. You can really taste the lavender from the collagen. And the blue butterfly pea powder, or the blue matcha, it doesn't really have a strong flavor. So it's really good for you. It has antioxidants and stuff, as I mentioned, but it doesn't have a strong flavor. So I really taste the lemon and the lavender in here. And definitely be enjoying and drinking this the rest of the day. So thanks for joining me. I hope you make this. If you want me to email you the recipe, you can join my email list at the link in my bio. I send out emails every Thursday, and I'll be sending out the recipe for this drink this Thursday. So you can go to the link in my bio, subscribe to my newsletter, and give this video a little heart or a comment. Would love to hear if you make it and how it goes. Bye!